You can easily send SMS messages from within MIStudio Applications and get a response to indicate who received that message, an acknowledgement. This is useful for things like alarm management, where you may want to send out an SMS and you want to be sure that somebody has responded and somebody is working on that alarm. I'm going to put a button on the screen to send my SMS, and I'm going to put an annunciator on the screen that will let me see who responded to my alarm. As usual, I copy these to the diagram window. We use AWS to send and receive SMSs. So in the diagram window, I've already put my credentials server and configured that for access to AWS. What I need now is an SMS server, and I put that on the screen. The SMS server also has a little configuration. It has an app ID and an origination number, both of which come from the console, the SMS console on AWS. And we need a topic. We associate that with our credentials server, and we've configured this bean. The next thing we need before we can send is we need to know the destination number. Who are we sending this message to? And normally you might pull that out of a database or something similar so that you can configure that at runtime. But here I'm just going to hard code it into a constant, and I'll put my phone number in there. And hook that up to the destination number, and hook the button up to the input to trigger the SMS send. The SMS server has two outputs. It has a success and a failure. If nobody responds to the SMS request, then the failure output will fire. And you can use that to cascade. So you can use that to send additional SMSs, to send email, to indicate on screens, whatever you need to do. If there's a response, then the success output will fire. And the success output is actually an array because multiple people could respond. You can put multiple inputs into the destination number and multiple people could respond. And so we hook that up to an array to string, and then hopefully we'll see the string in the annunciator here. Now I open up my test panel. And I get a text message on my phone that says reply with code 000 to ACK, and so I send that code. And you see that my phone number came up in the annunciator indicating that I have ACKed that message. So it's as simple as that.